Hi everyone, want to take your productivity and creativity to the next level? Today I will show you how to combine Gemini 2.0 for secure account management with Excalidraw for seamless visual collaboration. Let's dive in. First of all, set up your Gemini 2.0. Install the app from your App Store or Google Play. And after you download it, what you're going to do, go ahead and log in with your credentials, right? And make sure that you add your account. And if you have multiple accounts in different Google platform like YouTube, whatever it might be, they will be added automatically by clicking your avatar icon. And you're going to see the arrow right here. If you click on it, you're going to see your multiple accounts across different Google's platform. And speaking of Excalidraw, what you're going to do, go ahead to Excalidraw website, right? And install the app or go to the official website and familiarize yourself with its drawing tools like by clicking right here, the three bars at the bottom left. Go ahead to the command palette and you're going to be able to see the tools that can help you understand how to basically draw, right? Like shapes, arrows, and text boxes. Okay. In terms of integrating Gemini 2.0 in Excalidraw, you can use Gemini 2.0 or 1.5 in my case. You could use the 2.0, right? To autofill feature to log into Excalidraw securely. You can also save the Excalidraw credentials under dedicated collaboration tools, or you're gonna be able to save it automatically because here you go. Even if I refreshed it or got out of it, my account will be secure because no one or I don't need to re-log in again. So you can collaborate by clicking the three bars at the bottom left, click live collaboration and start session, copy the link and share it with other people so you can collaborate with other people securely. So you can share your Excalidraw project links with team members without worrying about password breaches, right? In terms of enhancing productivity, right, you can use Excalidraw for brainstorming, right, project planning, or flow charts. You can click the three bars at the bottom, three lines at the bottom left, click the command palette, familiarize yourself with the tools, right, in order to understand how to start your own journey. Or you can go ahead and click the personal library right here, right, and add your projects, right, like the shapes and in different shapes and text, whatever it might be, right? You can click the text right here to add your own text, or you can add a picture or attach a file to your team. Okay, you can open related accounts, tools, or cloud storage instantly via Gemini 2.0 while working on Excalidraw project. So as you can see right here, I'm working on this project. I can go ahead and click the chat at the top left and see my other projects that I'm working on without being interfered or without fearing that my project can be gone, right? And as for security and backup, Excalidraw can save your project automatically without the need to do anything. Or if you want to be more sure, you can go ahead and click the three bars at the bottom left, and you can go ahead and click export image or save to. The difference between the two, the save to option will save that file as the Excalidraw format. So when only going to a different device to Excalidraw, you're gonna be able to import that file and continue your project smoothly. But as for the export image, you're gonna be able to export that project and reopen it and add it again with basically minus saving or editing your project. So if you want the freedom to edit or modify your project, go ahead and save it as Excalidraw format by clicking the three bars at the bottom left, click save to, and you're going to be able to save it to your file, and you're going to be able to once you use a different device, or once you got off the device or your own device and you're using different laptop or whatever it might be, they will not save that project. Only you have the file, and you can share it and add it, or basically open it up from different device and continue your project smoothly. As for Gemini, you can save it automatically. So if I ask right here a question about something, right, or type something random, you can go ahead and see the chat saved at the top left, right? And if you want, right here, if I want to delete it, hold and then delete your chat. So Gemini basically save your project without the need to basically to do anything, as long as you're logged in with your account, right? So there you have it. One last thing, make sure that you enable the two-factor authentication. So go ahead and click the Gemini in avatar icon next to the Gemini, and then click manage your account or Google account, and go ahead to the data and privacy or security, and then you're going to see the two-step verification. Go ahead and add your phone number, and they will ask you to verify your phone number, of course. And then afterwards, after I add my phone number, let me demonstrate how it's done. Right? After you added your phone number, you can use as a verification, like, hey, we sent that code as a text message or as a voice call, and you're gonna respond to that and write down whatever code they sent, so you can verify that this is who you are, or this is you who's trying to log in, right? And you can use different options. You can use passkey and security keys or facial recognition, and authenticator if you have Google Authenticator in your device, or phone number via phone number. Either way, you're gonna be able to secure your account. So that feature doesn't necessarily apply to Excalidraw, right? But you can share your project with other people and secure your project by clicking save to, and save it as a Excalidraw project, so you can protect your own project. So there you have it. By combining the power of Gemini 2.0 with Excalidraw, you will boost your creativity and productivity while keeping your workflow secure. Do not forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.